Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change player fitness condition using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge how you can create your own tactics like this, and how you can manage your own player like motivation, and also how you can manage the finance of the club itself. So let's get started. So you can use this in-game editor. Make sure you start new game and activate in the start of a when you are going to play in the first time. You cannot activate this in-game editor during or in the middle game. You have to fresh start a new game. You can see I already activate because this yellow button at the bottom on my screen is on. If you cannot see this, it means you do not yet activate the in-game editor. So I want to give you an example. If you want to injure your player or your opponent player, let's see the fixtures. We are going to face Borussia Dortmund here, and this player is injured, Duran Viel. So you can heal this player. As you can see, this is the before condition 77%, and let's heal player by tap this heal player, tap confirm, and Julian Duran Viel condition is 100. He is healed. Let's get back to the first team. Or you can heal all your players by one tap. You can tap edit once more time and jump into the team action here, and this is the squad action. The condition, you can heal all the player by tapping heal, or you can injure your own player, tap confirm. Let's see, all my player is injured, majority of my player is injured. Vinicius Junior condition 35%. Let's see the eligibility. Strained neck about 2 weeks, injured, unavailable to the injured. Let's get back. Let's heal them all by tap team action and heal team, tap confirm, and it's done. So you can adjust it. This is like cheat, but it's not because it's a license. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. Enjoy the game.